How to turn on auto download videos using mobile data on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on auto download videos using mobile data on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find storage and data, and here you will find it. This one, when using mobile data, click on it and then just click videos and click OK, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.